surprised he dodged that. Oh, that's bad news. Well, this is the way the world ends.
Oh.
Damn, I tried to roll. Didn't happen. I really did try. Have a good night, Wes. Okay. Want to rotate?
Sure. Oh, good.
This is on PC.
One, two. There's a friend here, by the way.
There's a what?
A friend.
That kind of friend. The kind that eats all the dip.
Ow, I'm bleeding. Is he? Yep. Still here. Okay, let's see if I actually activated this. Oh, thank God.
What? Oh, I see.
Infinite durability. So I don't, stop fighting mid-fight.
Do hurry.
As I said that at alt tab. Oh, look, close.
There's a Yoda. I will check that after we live or die. Follow up. Yep. Damn it. Oh, jeez. He hates it when people heal. Of course. Just walked right into it.
I mean, the hitbox is dumb.
Yeah, but I saw it coming. I just forgot that he went all the way around with it.
Ow.
Oh shit. Wow, okay.
Well, that was a notorious strike. Uh-oh. Woo. Not even close.
You were saying?
That was close.
Well,
Guess I should just shut up.
He is very annoying. Probably my least. Well, I wouldn't say he's my least favorite. He gives me a lot of trouble. All the time. I think I had just as much trouble with Saber. There might have been one character I definitely had trouble with Aang.
Oh god, I can't even imagine you doing Aang with this. Also send them.
Have a good night, Lynx. Yeah, the dragon's a chump.
Well,
The
since you
Sentinel.
don't wanna...
Go ahead.
No, go ahead.
I never found the Sentinels to be too bad. Well, I mean, I did at first, but like I fought them earlier just fine.
Sentinels are mostly... Wait, I'm getting invaded. Oh no, you summoned me. Okay. Sentinels are mostly gimmicky. You just have to learn how to do them one at a time and you can get them pretty fast.
Yeah.
Also, let's not stay all the rest of the stream here, shall we?
I'm okay with that.
Oh, that was me saying that activated cheat engine.
Oh.
I'm not gonna one-shot it. I'm just not gonna die to it.
Well.
Also, I might hit it infinite times.
You're what?
Like this. Don't stop.
I'm using a max longsword.
He should enrage.
Oh, there he goes. Don't worry. That sucked.
Staggered.
That was silly. This is Mirror's Edge, I'm hearing.
Probably. I haven't seen one stream without Mirror's Edge or... What's the name of the other game? Oh god. What's the music that everyone requests all the time?
Could you be more specific?
I'm trying to remember the name. Main character is Red.
Main character is what?
Red. She carries a sword.
Oh, Transistor.
Her name is Red. Transistor, yeah.
Microphone muted.
Well, drop yours and we can finally leave this awful place.
Microphone activated.
Why would you like to know, Anarchist Lady? Are you plotting something? That would be unpleasant. Now what the hell, I'm already here.
How far did you get into FOB Invasion Snake?
I just tried 2 or 3 of them yesterday and haven't done it since.
Really? For some reason I really enjoy FOB Invasions. It actually makes the game like challenging for itself.
It is really challenging and I enjoy that. I just haven't gotten into it. I tried yesterday and I've been carrying a headache since yesterday, so I could not focus.
I see. The only thing that I really hate about MGS5 multiplayer is that you can't use Steam friends and just instantly add them.
Oh, you can't?
No, I can't. I'm not even joking, I wasted 12 hours trying to find Sean and didn't succeed.
No. And thank you, ZG.
Hey Nelson. How's it going?
I don't think I'm under-leveled for him. Let me see.
We're not considering our skill level right now.
Yeah, we're 133. I might have been 150. Alright, you can just slit his throat.
Yep.
I might have been 150 when I did this the first time, but I was still using the same weapon. Well, Sun Sword, but still.
Cool, Nelson. What did you stream?
Say again.
Oh, talking to Nelson. I mean, GG.
Yeah, I don't do shields. Unless it's build specific. Did he just do a little twirl?
I think so?
God.
Oh,
Well.
There goes the drama.
123, okay. Ow.
Please don't die.
I'm going to, don't worry.
He's coming for you.
That would have killed me.
Ow. You know, I never tried to parry him when he's using like the UGS. I can actually try. Okay, why am I trying? First, no, haven't done alone. And second, goddamn it, Nelson, you know I'm using cheat engine. This boss is too much of a pain in the ass. Also, I don't think we can do alone.
Why not? What are we missing?
We don't have the Ashen Mist Heart from the dragon.
Dragon.
You know, Dragon Shrine,
Oh, right.
to
Okay.
enter memories.
Yeah.
We don't have that.
Yeah, forgot about that.
Believe it or not, I have no idea where we're supposed to go right now.
Somewhere in Drang Lake, probably. I have... Yeah, we skipped Drang Lake. Going to the King's Gate.
Roger.
I might bring Saber back in Souls 3. I'm not redoing her at Souls 2. That would just be... I don't feel like doing another no bonfire run. to get that ring.
Can't you just drop me the ring? Oh, no, I can't.
Let me see. Isn't there pain this way? There's indeed pain this way.
King's Castle, right?
Yeah, Kingsgate.
Okay. If you want, we can do the last DLC.
Yeah, let's save that. Otaru, you went and did it. Thank you. Welcome to the box.
Welcome to the box. Can my cell phone actually work and I can put some boxes?
Have a good night, Chesh. Also, I missed 3 donations apparently. Oh, jeez. Okay.
Jesus.
So, $10 donation from Mooney is a cutie. You've helped me through a lot of tough nights by making me smile. Thanks, pal. I know this isn't much, but it's the least I can do for someone as rad as you, Snake. I don't know if rad would be the word I would ever use to describe myself. But I am glad I could do anything. Thank you very much. Also, Eat That Wonton Soup donated $2.50. Why does McJuju sound like something straight out of TAK? What is TAK?
TAK?
I feel like
No
I should
idea.
know what that is. What is TAK? Cliffs of Dover, I'll be damned. But thank you very much, Wonton Soup. Oh, geez. No More Hero donated $20. Unnecessarily. Thanks, Snake, for hours of entertainment and for giving me a home away from home. Hope the small donation that is not small can be of some use to you so you can keep doing what you do. Absolutely. That is the ultimate form of support. And you did not have to do it. But I'm very grateful that you did. Thank you. Also, is your sign down?
Mine?
Yes.
No, I'm still going to the King's Gate. I don't have the bonfire.
Oh, I see.
You're reading donations?
That is it.
Oh, shit.
Howdy, Canny.
Isn't the Bloodborne DLC coming, like, soonish?
Soonish, yeah. I remember that being incredibly difficult. Are you gonna wake up? Might. Dark arrows. Frozen flower. What is that for? That's for, Shrine of Winter, right?
Yep, let's just see.
I guess we could do that.
Your choice.
I don't feel like dealing with that right now.
I feel like dealing with invisible cats.
Yeah, it's a bit much. Well, it wasn't too bad, not really. I just don't feel like dealing with going around and getting all the helper knights for the final fight.
I suppose. Did you actually have like enough will to farm the souls?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Well done.
Thank you, Lise. This is, that is what she sent me. Lasagna. Uh, Lasagna's okay. I don't mind it.
Same.
Me pretty heavy, though. Let me know when you're at the King's Gate so we can come back.
Almost there. Just got as fun as me.
You weren't here before. Ow. It was unnecessary. You're alright. Ah, yes.
Okay, I'm at the King's Gate.
This chest wasn't here before. Oh, please don't be it.
Mimic?
It wasn't a mimic. Ow. It was Ruth. There isn't there an invader here? Where are all these?
Here?
Yeah, there isn't. Not Forlorn. The other one.
In this area specifically, you know? Oh. What's her name again?
Yeah, I forget her name. But she's here. She's ready to party. Or she will be soon.
Well, my hand's at the bonfire if you feel like running.
This is not my first time in Scholar, no. Just been a while. Well, actually, no, this is my first time, Nameless
Scholar,
Usurper.
really?
I think this is my first time actually playing it all the way through.
Wow.
I think. I'm pretty sure. Is Usurper still behind us? Yeah.
I mean, it's my second, so I can't say much.
Need to deal with this. I want a barrier. I want a barrier.
Her dagger's kind of pain in the ass to bury though.
Yeah. Don't even care about... I don't even remember her name. Oh, that's Chandra. Never mind. I remember her name. Not gonna go in yet.
I'm still trying to remember the name of the usurper.
I think it's, Lucia. Or Licia. Isn't it? You're wearing the Saint armor.
Who, me?
No, the Usurper.
Let me check.
Very proud. Ow.
Licia.
Yeah. Oh great, I'm poisoned.
Your poison.
Just gonna...
Not die?
That's the plan.
Did you get her?
Who, the usurper?
Mm-hmm.
You know, she's long dead.
Oh. You coming back to the bonfire?
Yeah.
Yes, Nelson, we're going to the King's Day bonfire if you want to join. Wait, you're not even playing the goddamn game.
Fair enough, anarchist lady. Have a good night.
Oh, what time is it already here? Hello. Give me a shot if you want to power through scholars, Nelson. I'll gladly join.
Are you in the acid? No, you just triggered the thing.
Forlorn?
Let's get shot. Ow. Ow.
Ow. Not a single one was spared.
I guess I'll get the extra bonfire. I might screw up this jump though. How do I
Yes, Nelson. I beat him in just 5.
Thought I forgot.
About what, the bonfire?
The one that wakes up.
Oh, right. Hey, Nashandra. You tried.
Yes, hello.
The hardest boss in the game.
He actually
I'm just
hit
gonna
me.
wait for the brother. He also hit me, so I can't say much. Come on, get down here.
Gonna get hit by a dragon arrow. Just wait.
He's coming down.
Ow. That poor dragon rider. I'm helping.
Microphone muted. Microphone activated.
Have a good night, Annika.
I really thought you were gonna say, have a good night, Anakin.
That would have been rude. But now I will always think of Skywalker when I see that name. So thank you for that.
Always a pleasure.
I understand, Eternal. Well, no longer, granted, because I have a solid state drive.
Snake?
What?
He's here. I'm pretty sure he's following us.
Who?
You'll see. Let's go.
Oh God.
There he is.
I'm pretty sure Bring Me to Life is playing right now.
Really?
Yep, that's totally... Yep. I can't take the song seriously anymore.
Can't wake up.
You've seen the Goofy thing, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you seen the Kids Bop version? Where mid-song the guy just starts barking?
I can't say I have.
I'll try to link that to you later.
Oh, great.
Well, Nameless is about to have a bad time.
I forgot that Bukaki Tornado was here, and I thought he was you for a moment.
Oh,
Then you sort of just showed up.
wait, what?
What?
Why are you shit?
That is a good question.
Oh right, she's dead.
Oh, you murdered her.
I
Oh,
murdered everyone. I
oh
forgot
right. Yeah, okay.
that. I don't need this bonfire, let's go. Mash knows it. Mash, try to link the Kids Bop version for the people in chat if you're there.
Oh, jeez.
Hello, you must have some kind of life now that you help support people with me. Nope. There goes
Take
his
his lunch
money.
money. Yeah.
Wait, because who's playing right now?
No, it's not.
Oh. Red sign. The jerker. Oh.
How's the new system, Zeppelin? Nah, it's not overkill. It's absolutely necessary. These guys are chumps.
I remember when we did that to Lost Sinner.
Yeah. Yeah.
Give me a second. I'm on a mission. Here you go, chat. Wait, what? Why did the thing deleted link for me?
Because you can no longer post links. At least, temporarily I have them disabled so people won't post song requests in chat.
Oh, wait, how do you request songs now?
There's a website, you go, hang on. Can someone do the song info command? There'll be a link there. You go to the dashboard, go to redeem, and you do it on that site.
I can't request Kids Bop because there's lyrics. I just wanted to post to chat. So people know this beautiful thing.
Let me do it, since it won't remove it if I post it.
Here. Also save that for later.
If it deletes my link, I'm going to slit its throat.
The guy barking kills me. Let's go.
Why are they here?
Also, they don't come to life anymore.
Really?
You have to drag one from the other thing to activate this.
That's rude. Was it even necessary?